Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from Liga Services. Today I will tell you how to make this type of floral pattern in Illustrator. So without wasting time, let's start. Let's design it. Okay. Okay. Firstly, we need one star. So I'm just using star tool and just only click on the artboard. And here is dialog box and I need 40 points. 40 points means 40 corners of your star. Means this one. Okay. Now just get normal. Okay. It is star. So now we have one star. So we'll start from it. Firstly, we need to change to gradient. Okay. If you don't have see gradient window here, so just go to window panel and choose gradient. And here we are. Just pick out the gradient panel from here. Okay, I'm just selecting my artwork and use radial gradient. You can change color from here as you want. Here, many types of colors. Manage from here as you want. So I'm just choosing one dark, one mid, and one white. And you can change according to a requirement or adjustment. I think so. This one is perfect. If you want to add on one more color, so you can duplicate also or just click here. So and just double click on the change engine. Just changing here from here. Now we started from here. Mm, That's fine. I'm just using this color. And now just select the artwork and go to edit and just copy it. Then just again go to edit and paste in front and press Alt and Shift key on your keyboard and just resize it. Fine. Now just select both artwork and go to object, then go to blend and make. Okay. I think so you have seen this type of another one artwork here or another one star pen star. So just we are managing our artwork. Go to again object window and go to blend and blend options and choose specified steps and fill the value you want 60 steps and press okay. You can Press OK, and I think so it's fine. And now just select and go to effect, distort and transform, and go to quick and share and see. You can manage it from here, like as you want, absolute and relative. So always choose relative for making this type of floral pattern. And here we are, and see how much beautiful this floral vector. So now it's your turn. So guys, make this type of pattern and make your design creative to appealing. That's it for the video. We will meet in next video.